never ever give up on yourself. Because think of this, anything worth fighting for is going to have a fight to get. It's going to take fighting to get. It's going to take effort to get your six pack. It's going to take hard work to get money for the down payment for your house you want. It's going to take effort and work and persistence and consistency and resistance. Whoever's watching this video, brother, sister, this is my recipe for what it takes to get things done. Whatever you're trying to do, know ahead of time that there will be a challenge ahead of you, but you possess the tools, or you possess the ability to attain the tools needed to finish the job. You already possess all the tools needed to finish the job. You just need a friendly reminder. So this is my short, powerful CPR method. I'm not talking about compressions on the chest. I'm talking about consistency, persistence, and resistance. Now, what does this mean? We're going to break this down. Let's keep this in the paradigm of health and fitness, all right? Health and fitness, that's what this channel is about. But this principle can be applied to anything in your life. So, consistency. That's like, it speaks for itself. The act of being consistent when you're trying to build something, whether it be your six pack or your health, or trying to get your body flat, or trying to clear out your gut, you got to take consistent steps, whether they be baby steps or leaps and bounds. Either way it goes, you can't expect to get from the starting line to the finish with just one step. You have to keep on taking the steps all the way till you get to the end of the finish line. Next is persistence. Persistence is the part that takes place while you're being consistent. Persistence is the thing that you're going to need to maintain being consistent. It helps you continue being consistent, because persistence, it goes into your subconscious desires. It goes into the thing that makes you keep on fighting. It's like that thing that you're fighting for. It's the reason why you do it. It's the reason why you don't stop. It's the reason why you don't quit. You want it so bad that you're willing to put up with whatever kind of BS you got to put up with to make it happen. That's what persistence is. Persistence is not giving up when the odds are against you. And the last thing I'm going to say is resistance. After you've been consistent and you've been persistent, make sure to remain resistant. Remain resistant to things that will hold you back. Remain resistant to things that are going to take a toll on your progress. All right? So this comes into mental strength, having discipline. So if you're trying to lose weight, this means resisting the McDonald's when you know you're trying to eat more fruits and vegetables into your diet. That's what that means. Resistant means resist the temptation of that cigarette when you're trying to quit smoking. You see, you must stay consistent, persistent, and resistant. I hope this tool was useful for you guys. Remember, whatever goal you're trying to make happen, you gotta want to do it for the right reasons within yourself. It's got to be something that you're willing to do all the work for this to be able to work, because no one can stay consistent for you, no one can stay persistent for you, and no one can stay resistant for you. Granted, yes, people can push you and give you a nudge and help you out and give you a thumbs up and pat on the back, but it's up to you to keep taking those steps. All right? So if you watch all the way to the end, please make sure you hit the like button. Share this video with anybody else who you think could use this message. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.